Video. Now this lets you reply to chats while a video is playing in the background. Let's say for example with YouTube, you get a WhatsApp message, you can still reply to it. There is a translucent keyboard provided as well, so that kind of makes things a little easier. Samsung's even some of the basic specs from it. Let's now peel the plastic off and take a peek inside. First up, we have the phone itself wrapped in plastic. Let's take that off as well. Now we have the gold variant of the A6 Plus in here. The metal unibody design looks quite nice. Anyway, let's set that aside for the time being. We then have a few information booklets, a subjector tool, a micro USB cable. Sadly, there's no Type-C still for Samsung mid-rangers. There's also a basic pair of earbuds. And the last thing in the box is the wall adapter. Let's now get to the phone and boot it up for the first time. The A6 Plus is a true Samsung mid-ranger, and you can see that right from the design choices. The centrally placed dual rear cameras as well as that fingerprint sensor reminds me of the S10 Plus. Well, the all-metal belt with those curved antenna lines, we've seen that before on the J7 Pro as well. But while the design might be a mishmash of elements from flagship and budget segments, one thing is undeniable.